What's going on, guys? JPA Trades here. Tonight we're going to be going over the Meta 370 calls we took this morning at 9:46. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you like what we're doing here, join the channel. Just kind of makes me know that I'm not doing these videos for nothing. Alright, so let's get into it. The Meta 370 call. So here's our daily view of Meta. Just a 5-minute view. We bought it right kind of on the way down here. Could have did better. Bought this bottom wick, but went lower. But the question is, why did we pick to buy here? And why did it work so good? So as always, zoom the time frames out just so you can get a better picture of what's going on. And you guys are probably already going to know what I'm going to do and say here. So first thing I like to do, figure out all these interesting wick locations. So we'll just do little arrows to make it so, hey, here's something, here's one. And basically all those in here. So what I want to do first is kind of capture that range. And here's kind of where I was thinking, hey, it's a pretty good idea to buy calls. Stuff was going on there. These are clearly important levels. So that was just that 362.98 about, and 361.31. And of course it fell right under, but before this big jump up candle happened here, that big boom candle, there's another 359, and I was almost about to add more at 359. But if you notice this morning, we bought these for $1, even though it was 9:46, which just, let's go back to the 5-minute real quick. Like, it was still, like, what, right in here, 361. Like, this $3 drop down, this was such a quick drop that the lowest I really saw these contracts got was like 72 cents. I saw a couple people on the feed end up getting it for like 69 cents and 68 cents. But for a 30% drawdown in the same, like, basically 15-minute window that it got bought, I wasn't overly concerned about going back out there and getting something else. So now it's just a matter of where do we go from here? So we had a nice reclaim there. So pretty simple. We're just going to keep looking for these levels to get taken out. You got a little bit of a wedge, you could call it, but kind of forcing it to kind of get there. I'd rather just kind of look at, hey, we were just at 377. See if we can get that retrace. We already took profits at 150%, but max move down, just call it 4.8. So just back from the bottom, let's try to get a 2.4% move back up, which basically we already got today. So if that's why you noticed, at the end of the day today, I sold some more. So had 3 trims, 50%, 100%, 150%. The last 25% of the position here, if it goes and we get that full breakout again, and we can actually have a green day for SPY, which I say like we're not getting them all the time, we can kind of get back towards that 375, 377. But for such a quick move to get 150% off that pop, I'm not going to force anything here. Got the good move. If we get it, here's what we're looking for, guys. It's just top of the range, 371. Get through 371. 373 comes up pretty quick, and we're looking at a 300, 400% play. So I kind of say this all the time, and I'm going to make another video for channel members. Just kind of which wicks are important and which ones aren't. Like this wick, let me clear all this out of here today. Remove all these. So this wick down right here, this is very important. So that 358.61, if that level ever gets revisited, you best believe we're going to be hammering it, because someone out there has enough money or enough something that when the stock got to that level, they said, buy right now. And that thing just shot straight up. It just kept going. So love seeing stuff like this. Also, same thing here. This big giant wick down at 377. Same thing. Someone has enough money that they said, okay, high enough, I'm going to take my money and I'm going to run with it at 377.06. So if either of these two levels get taken out, you're going to see another larger move down or another larger move up. So with that in mind, hope this video helps you guys out, and we'll see you next time.